Yo, what's up?
We
Ninja?
are back to Poland.
And we are in Katowice city because we fly from Greece to Katowice and we never been in Katowice. Even I myself Polish, I never been in Katowice. So that's interesting. We're gonna have a stroll around and see what's going on. Yes, I am.
Yes, so this one area, I think that this one is the city center of Katowice, and especially we are outside of the Galeria Katowice. So let's explore what the city looks like. Like Damian said, we never been here. So
Never. I was second time in Katowice airport, but never in the city. So second time in my life in Katowice, generally at the airport. Okay, let's go. All right, so this is like one of the main junctions. They have a tram, the red trams. Some little bit of architecture. Sayang your face.
no, it's like majority people here are wearing a black.
Yeah.
Black.
We wearing colorful. We colorful.
No, colorful doesn't mean like like you are kind of the something group LGBT.
We are tropical people.
No, we just like how come back from holiday, tropical vibe.
Tropical vibe, yeah. And this is the city. That's the Galeria Katowicka. There is the train station in Katowice, I reckon. Okay, let's go to the square, sir. Square will be here. Where is the red tram coming from? There is the square, but I don't know if it's very old square or it's kind of Warsaw Square, nie wiem, I don't know. So that's the main street heading to the square. Let's see what we can expect from Katowice city.
No, let's have a coffee somewhere.
Coffee somewhere, that's for sure. Alright, so that's gonna be a square, market square in Katowice city. Katowice, not Katowice, because I heard somebody saying Katowice, your friend
actually
saying Katowice.
Her boyfriend working in here in Katowice, but he keeps saying Katowice.
Katowice.
Oh, nice. Let's go there.
Alright, so then anyway, this is different square than other cities like Poznań, Wrocław, Gdańsk. Looks a little bit different. I'm not sure if modern actually look mixed.
They didn't have community like in Polska, no?
Not too many. Well, that's Katowice generally speaking is very industrial city though. This is Społem, so this is the parallel. This one courtyard look very old. This one looks something nice. That's Collegium, I think the university or something. This one is new in the background. This one looks oily restaurant looks new. This one looks old like a. So yeah, I will make Insta story for our Instagram, guys. If you don't follow us on Instagram, the monkeys YouTube, the monkeys _YouTube on Instagram. There is some music. Also today is Metallica concert.
No wonder everybody wearing black and white.
Okay, but there's something is going on like a vibing. We go there. So Kamienica Sayang seems like this is Kamienica. Little bit. And maybe that one next to Makasz is Kamienica. Little bit, totally different city than other kind of city.
I think that's the old Kamienica.
Oh, yes, this one is Kamienica. Yeah, this one is the townhouse. Yeah. You're right, this is the proper townhouse, which Kamienica in Polish language, yes. That's right. Dobra. Let's go because Makasz is there, Oil is there, I'm looking for the coffee shop and there is music coming like they have something. Because I think this school finishes something like that.
No, Metallica concert. Because everybody wearing Metallica. Metallica is just like Metallica graduation something. Not a kind of concert.
Maybe they will sing the Unforgiven. Let's go. So this music is something about the juvenalia kind of thing, like students party something. This is some old architecture and then there is like commie blocks or some sort of stuff. There's fountains, babe, actually. Yeah, very different city, babe.
Exactly.
What is your top? Because I'm Polish, so I'm just saying it's different, but I don't know. It's like
mixed feeling actually between the modern architecture and the kind of the old traditional architecture, but still like I don't know. The apartment behind is simply like weird feeling.
Weird. Yeah. Different.
Different. It's quite different.
Maybe don't call weird. Different.
But it's just different.
Different. Definitely it's different. Okay. It's different. For example, okay, this is the war monument, I think, or like some famous people, whatever. There is old architecture, and then it's very interesting stuff because there is a courtyard by Marriott. I used to stay in quite many courtyards by Marriott around the world, especially in Asia, in Europe as well. But this one looks kinda old, different. I don't know what should I say.
Hey, you are Polish. You're supposed to be proud of Poland or something like that. Kochanie. Otherwise,
I'm proud, but Katowice looks different.
the thing is that you need to travel to see that sometimes you need to be proud of where you are coming from. Like me,
That's
to
true.
be honest, I was in the Albania, in Tirana, the capital city. I was in some countries in Europe. Deep inside my heart, I'm so proud that I'm originally coming from the Southeast Asian countries, because nowadays Southeast Asian is actually much more developed than Balkan countries, or like Central Europe or Eastern Europe, something like that. And I'm proud of it. So you need to step out of your country to see that how is surrounding, so you can be proud of, you be grateful of what you have actually.
That's the thing. Also, Poland actually is also a very developed country. Katowice is just industrial city, and by many years it was one of the most, I think, if I'm not mistaken, one of the worst cities to live in Poland, but especially back in 90s and early 2000s. Now it's actually good. One thing about this one is that this industrial city, a lot of work, a lot of companies, a lot of factories, a lot of is going on. Money is here, that's for sure. There is probably not too many, jobless people here. However, architecture is just simply not the most beautiful in Poland, because it's not nice as Gdańsk, Krakow, Poznań, Wrocław. Even, maybe Łódź is similar. Warsaw is modern, but generally speaking. But again, once we travel, actually, like with this case today when we were coming back from Greece, actually, as Poland is really well developed compared to the any kind of Central Europe, especially like Balkans countries, Greece, Germany, a little bit falling down. They were pretty nice in 70s, 80s, together with American Dream in America. I've been in many cities in Germany, especially recent years after I come back from Asia. Been in Canada, States, everything there stuck in the moment. Here is really growing, because if some of you been in Poland in 90s and you see how it's Poland look like in 2025, 6, go to Warsaw, go to Gdańsk, go to Poznań, it's like, it's like totally different worlds, and
Exactly.
and like Greece, perhaps it's like, it's Europe, it's Europe, it's one of the first countries who joined the European Union actually, but to compare to,
It's just stuck in the moment.
stuck in the moment,
There
like.
is no improvement. And we were in Zakynthos, Greece, like a tourist island, and then we stay in the one all-inclusive hotel as well. I can say that kind of 4 or 5-star hotel. And what I can say that literally, the tourism in Asia, especially Southeast Asia, is way much better than this, the quality and everything, Okay, like Greece, people talking about Greece is just about Santorini or something like that. That's why whenever Damian planned for the trip, I said, I don't want to go to Santorini, it's just like overrated for me, and then I read so many things about that, and then people whenever said, oh, you are going to Greece, you must be Santorini. I want to explore something different, but the thing is that you need to step out first and to see and to experience, and then at the end of the day, you really feel grateful of what you have, what you are. And the most important thing is that comparing, Damian and I were in Germany and together, something like that, or we're in some Western Europe as well.
Well, technically I visited 80.
Poland is the most safest, what I feel so
That's without doubts. Even in
we were
Katowice.
in Rome, something like that. Poland is the most safest. then one thing that I see, even this called is the Stary Rynek, right? Or Centrum Miasto, the city center.
Rynek, generally, it's not called old because I think the Katowice don't have an old market square. It's just the square.
Yeah,
That's the
let's
thing.
say this is also the city center, no?
Right.
And you can see that this is like industrialized.
Yeah,
place.
because it's very industrial city. They also Katowice is very famous for the mining, the coal mining, and then many other kind of mining stuff. They are hardworking people and everything. There is also quite a lot of foreigners. That's because of the injustice of the money and the work is here. That's the thing.
Right. So what I can say then, look, nowadays it's spring, gonna be summer soon, and people are going out. And then what I can say, visiting for one day is enough to see that how is the city. I think that this is the center where the restaurant or something like that.
Yeah, we're going to looking for the coffee shop. And, well, definitely another city what we visited in Poland. Yeah, that's the Urząd Miasta, the police officer driving, the Skarbek and everything. And there are some coffee shops. Let's go. So there are actually a little bit of the kamienica here and there. Mix this and this. A lot of city parks, actually, little bit like this one. People strolling, driving. Let's have a coffee shop. I mean coffee summer, yeah?
Kochanie, to jest bardzo ciekawe miasto, no?
Bardzo ciekawe, no?
Oh, very interesting.
Different. Like I said, I don't say it's bad, it's different.
It's different.
It has totally different. So this is the train station and this is the Katowice Gallery, and then there is the train station and there's Mercure Hotel. So perhaps Mercure Hotel looks nice and modern, actually, and Metallica boys everywhere. Let's have a coffee somewhere. The Luca is there. Maybe in the Vedera. Okay. And once again, this is very interesting city because the way how they serve you espresso macchiato is also I never had like this before. So it's espresso with cafe Lamborghini actually, Tonino Lamborghini with the milk, foam and this. Tiramisu looks decent, right?
Right. So one thing about the price range, what I see if I compare again with the different cities, let's say Poznan. Poznan is way pricier,
More expensive. This
than
one is
Katowice.
cheaper, no?
This one is much more cheaper.
Affordable. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Sam, what you doing?
Let's just put little bit.
Oh, nice. You barista. You have barista course actually. Okay, smacznego.
Right. Let's enjoy our coffee while watching the people and enjoying the basker over there. Literally, like every single person that you see here is Metallica. I think that there are many Metallica lovers.
Fans, here lovers, yeah.
Just like Metallica there.
Okay. Alright, so we had a lovely espresso. Actually, the way how they serve espresso macchiato here is very different. Nice tiramisu. Another city on the list in Poland, actually, because never been in Katowice. Go through and everything. It's different. It's just totally different than city that I used to be in. And I visited most of cities in Poland, actually the big ones, but this one was still left. We have the trip from Greece. And then of course more things are upcoming soon. Also I'm running the brand new project regarding the monkeys, so stay tuned. Maybe you interested on something because it's gonna be something cool. Always what we do is cool because we are cool, the monkeys.
Right, so actually this is how it is, Katowice, my first impression so far. And one thing, the lesson learned after travel is that be grateful and appreciate of what you have so far and what we have been so far. And yeah, I think it's all our video today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.